In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Rust single player. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, what you need to do is make your own dedicated Rust server on your computer. You can find the files and the information necessary to do that over at the official Rust website at www.rust.facepunch.com. So first of all, visit the official Rust website, scroll all the way down and then click Support over here at the bottom next to Legal. When you select Support, you will be redirected to this page, rust.facepunch.com/support. You have to scroll down once again until you see this question, can I host a server? And then you simply have to click Quick Start Zip here. You will automatically download the files necessary to make your server, extract them somewhere, and you will get these files as you can see over here. All you have to do now is right-click Run ds.bat, select Edit. In here you will be able to change the name of your server and also the seed if you wish. When you make these changes, be sure to save the file. Now what you have to do is double-click the Run ds file, and this will set up your server. So simply wait for this to be done, and once this process is done, your server will be fully set up. In the meantime, what we have to do is give ourselves admin privileges in the server. So using this website, www.steamid.io, you need to apply your Steam ID 64. So input your URL over here and select Lookup. You will be given your Steam ID, ID3, and finally the Steam ID 64. When this process is done, we have to type owner ID followed by the Steam ID 64 we just copied. Once you give yourself admin privileges in your server by typing owner ID and the Steam ID 64 you copied into the bat file, you can open up Rust, and with the bat file still running on the background, press F1 and type client.connect space localhost :28015. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Rust single player. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.